I'm exhausted. I'm gonna take a nap. Whoa, it's been an hour and a half. I better go find my mom. Hey, Mom, she's not in here. Where could she be? Hey, Mom? All that's in here is his pink balloon. Let's go check the living room. Mom! Not here either. Oops. I'm glad she's not here because I forgot to fix the couch. I'll come back to that. I'm gonna check the hall, and I don't know where else she could be. Hey, Mom! She's not here either. I don't know where else to look. This is a strange day. Let's try something else. I'm gonna go get a bag of chips. There they are. Let me go to the bathroom first. I'm done. Let me wash my hands and go get my chips. Time for chips. Come on. Where's the chips? This is such a strange day. They're not in the living room. Not in the hall. Nowhere in the hall. Not in the dining room. Let me try something else. I'm gonna go play with my dog. Where the heck is Georgie? Maybe he went up to my room. Okay, and the light went out? Let's see if he's in my room. He's not in my room. Oh, I thought that was him. Nope. It's not on the balcony, not on the TV in the show, not there, not in my bed, not on the Christmas tree. The only place left to look for him is the hall. Let's hope he's there. He's not in the hall. It's not in my backpack, magazine rack, or here. Everything is gone. I don't know what else to do. Oh my God, there they are. My mom, the dog, the chips. Why are they all there? I found you. I thought you were lost. That was a strange day. See ya. Go pause the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.